Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap actually. A few stop outs, but overall it's great. Like I did a few mistakes, it's fine, it's part of trading, but overall it's okay. I kind of reached my goal. And yeah, today I traded OCGN. I was actually really long bias on this one, but I was actually long bias at 1785, but the open it was just really strong, so I traded it for momentum. So this was a really good trade. Added and took profit, stop out, traded again, risking this bottom here, so I'm glad I stopped out. Tried again here, but I stopped out because I was trading TLRY at this point. But it was good, could have been a nice profit as well, so I traded it here again after stopping out at TLRY. Took profit, stop out, and I was expecting this to happen. If it breaks 785, I'm gonna buy it somewhere, actually 750, but it gave me only 765 area, and then that was really good. And then look at that, it's back to VWAP. But who knows, it's gonna go back to VWAP. I reached my goal at this point, so I said I don't want to be greedy. It's already 11 o'clock New York time. It's 8 o'clock here. I need to prepare for work, so I had to close my trade. I could have added, but it's fine, I don't want to be too greedy. One more is TLRY. Actually, for OCGN, I was actually hoping for a long for a $9 target, so that was kind of my target, but it looks like it's gonna happen later. So for TLRY, that's what I traded. I was also long bias on this one because it's an SSR. I kind of prefer having a long on SSR now, since it's sometimes hard to short and then you get squeezed. But the thing is, I was really late because I was trading OCGN, so I said, okay, maybe I'm gonna try shorting at 16s. That's what I did here. Took profit, stop out. I tried one more, I said no, it's a bad idea, so I stopped out before it went up. So my target for this, so my long area was 1520, right? So that's my 1520. If it drops really heavy at the open, I probably take it long here again. Yeah, so that's kind of my long area. And then what happened, my target is actually at 17, so imagine if I took it long here. So this is opening price is somewhere here, right? That was my target, 17 area. Actually, it's resisting here, so yeah, so at 1750 it looks like it's gonna go there slowly, but it's the time of the day I need to stop trading. So that's it. So I only traded 2 stocks. A bit choppy, a bit messy, but it's fine. Reach what we wanted, reach our goal, so it should be okay. But before everything else, subscribe to my channel for updates, and let's watch my trade. Yeah, so as you can see here, I was watching what's this coin, not coin, TLRY, OCGN, and coin on the, like, I don't want to trade coin, it's just I want to watch coin because I have a swing trade on coin. But I only have 2 stocks right now, only like to watch 2 stocks at the moment because there's not a lot of movers. So OCGN, as you can see here, I have my 785 here, but it actually opened really strong, but that was actually my point of entry. But it, at this point, it actually opened really strong. TLRY 1520 entry just in case it dips there. Yeah, so let's watch. Fast forward a bit. There you go. Yeah, so when I saw OCGN dipped at 785 and break $8, so I said, okay, I'm gonna take it a bit of early position for $8. There you go, took some profit, and then look at that, my level 2 was actually lagging. There's something wrong with level 2, so I don't really know what happened there. I waited a bit, I said I'm gonna stop out if it goes to 8. Now it's back to 815. because of my level 2. There you go. So I only need probably 15 cents on this one. So average is 18.14 after the ad. Like, I hit my hotkey twice because it was really strong. So actually, there you go. I can't remember where I stopped out. So I was actually eyeing for 850. It looks like it's not really going, so I took most of it here. So that was a good profit. Average is 814. It looks like it's dipping. Said, should I add? Should I add at this point? Yes, I added. New average is 816. I can kind of play around with my profit. So I took some profit here. It's really quick. Oh my god, TLRY. I got distracted because TLRY did the thing I wanted. I should have traded TLRY instead. Let's pause. As you can see here, TLRY broke the opening price, a 15-third key. Imagine just risking this area. Look at that move. Oh, I was really, it's like, why did I pick OCGN instead of TLRY? Probably because OCGN has more volume, but it's an $8 stock, so 1 million volume on an $8 stock, it's not really a lot. But TLRY has a lot of volume as well, 2.4 million in the first 5 minutes, 2.2 million on OCGN. So actually, if you look on TLRY has a better volume of 500%, so it could have been a better mover. So I was expecting this to move about $1.50. It's an SSR, so maybe it's just, that's it, or maybe max to do 50. So let's see, let's go and watch it again. So I stopped out in there. It looks like it's holding 815, my original price, or entry. So it might get boring at some point in this one because I gave back some of my profits after and like in the middle of this trade. So what's this? Took it long, small size. I'm gonna add somewhere 805 just in case. Half because this is half position. So there you go. I added one more. I'm gonna risk maybe 810. I was closely watching it because it's a really low price stock, so I just stopped out in there. I said it's gonna go probably to 72.5. If it, yeah, so that's the drop that I was scared. If it drops, it's gonna go to 72.5. Then this is where I'll probably trade it. So right now I said, oh, what did I do? I should have traded TLRY. At this point, I was just kind of like having thoughts. Like I like my main ticker was TLRY, but it's fine. So it looks like TLRY is struggling at 16 area. So I was actually I shorted it. Let's fast forward this. So I shorted TLRY. Let's go back. So I shorted TLRY here. Just a small position because I know I'm most of the time this breaks up, and if it's like a fake out, because I was gonna stop on high of this candle. If it's a fake out, then I'm gonna add. So I added there. Actually this is a bit dangerous because most of the time it's a gap up stock. It could probably squeeze more like this. So I was actually looking, if it rejects 1610, I'm just gonna add and risk 1610. So I tried, yeah, I got filled there, 1604. So there you go. That's a good ad. So I'm just reducing my size because I'm actually trading OCGN. If you, let's watch, I actually traded OCGN here. This could have been a really good trade. So I traded OCGN here while I was trading TLRY short because I know this 785 is a good level. Let's see where I found that 785. So but the thing is, I can't risk more because I don't want to trade two stocks. So I think I have decided to just stop out and focus on my TLRY trade. Let's fast forward this a bit. Yeah, so I stopped out. So 16, I think my average is 16. After these two ads, my average went down to $16. So it's kind of like having a hard time here. That's why I was like, normally if it's strong, it'll probably pull back hard to VWAP, and then that's where you enter for another long. But the thing is, it has this weird, it's not even a triangle here, it's like a square. So I said, okay, I'm gonna take it short. So this is probably gonna break up. It looks like it's gonna break up, but it looks like it's holding 1610. It's gonna break up, but it's holding 1610. That's what I was thinking. So if it makes new highs, then if I shorted it again, I think I shorted it again, small size, can't remember. It's having a hard time there. Nobody's buying it. I can tell from time and sales and from level 2. So I shorted it there, just because I'm having so much FOMO, and I think I decided to just stop out at 16.15. That's, yeah, so I stopped out before it even makes new highs, because normally it can squeeze hard and then you will freeze, and then I know myself now. So yeah, so for now, small profit here. It's not really good. So I'm looking at OCGN. Let's fast forward this. I think I took OCGN long. Yep. So I took OCGN long because I missed this 785. My risk was actually somewhere at 780 or 778 area. Target was somewhere here, all the way to VWAP. Break of, well, it's like return to opening price. I kind of like trading opening price now. It's really good. Opening price plus daily ATR, you can just trade that, right? So I took profit in there. Can't remember what I did here. I'm not sure if this is the trade that was really good. I think I stopped out here. Yeah, I think I stopped out. Yeah, I can't remember. So let's see. Okay, fast forward. Oh, it dipped. Oh, okay, now I remember. So what happened was, I said if it breaks, if it goes down here, it's gonna retest this pre-market low. This is pre-market low, and my price of 785. So you see, it tried to hold the price and it dropped with really heavy volume. So I said it's probably gonna drop more, maybe 750. I have a level at 750, and maybe I will buy it there. I kind of like buying dip buying stocks. One sec. I kind of like buying dip buying stocks that went down really heavy with volume, and maybe just risk the low of that day. So actually I was risking, I think 30 cents, I can't remember, for this one. I added, so I was risking 15 cents only. So 68, I'll risk low of day, so risking 50 cents, half of that, 8 cents. So that's actually not bad. So I added, or I doubled my size here, because it's just a quick trade. I only need $8 or $7.90. So at this point, this is what I wanted, just 15-cent move actually. So actually taking this was 10%, probably 25% here. Yeah, and at this point I can now play around and look to add. Maybe it's 775. Normally when I reach my goal like this, I will probably add somewhere at 50% of where I entered and took profits. So 775 is probably a good point of entry. 50% of this area, right, of this range. And then my new average is 771. I said if I stopped out, it's fine. Sorry, this is taking a while. Come on. I really thought I was going to get stopped in here. But it looks like it's holding 775. There you go. Let's fast forward this a bit. So I'm still holding a few shares. Probably 805 I'll get out. I think that's my max. Because it's already almost 10:47 at this point. 10:47 here. I need to stop trading around 11. So I'm gonna fast forward this because it's taking a while. So there you go. I think that was my last share. Yeah. So let's go back a bit. So I put my stop somewhere here, 795. I didn't even want to add more because I probably won't have time. And yeah, so goal is not to be greedy. Take whatever market gave us, and that's it. Yeah, so as you can see here, even went higher than that, even tested this level here, but it's fine. It's probably gonna go back to 9. It's probably gonna go back to high of day and go to 9 to my target, but it's fine. I don't trade full time, so I don't have to stress about it. It looks like it's really gonna break up. Right, so thank you for watching. If you like what you see there, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't like my trading, it's fine. I'm a momentum trader. I get in and out really quick. Yeah. So yeah, follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. See you next week, hopefully. Bye.